Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Yamaha Serow 225. It's lot 10 on our sixth shipment from Japan. It's going to be priced at €2,750. It's a 1992 model and has only 4,312 miles on the clock. She's in very, very good condition. If you don't know much about her, she is a 4-stroke single, 223cc bike. Air-cooled with electric and kickstart CDI ignition. 20 horsepower with a red line of 8,000 RPM. 6-speed transmission, chain-driven, single disc at the front as well as at the rear. Seat height is at 810 mils and the dry weight is exceptionally light at 108 kilos. Fuel capacity is in around 8.7 litres as well. So take a look at this particular bike itself. Lovely red and white colour scheme. Really good condition. Front wheel, no signs of rotting or rust or anything like that. Front tyres in good condition also. Some kind of signs of corrosion on the front forks, nothing too major. Rear, the gaiters aren't in the best of nick, but I mean, it's a €10 fix. The front mudguard has no real marks, nothing too major on her. Same as the front headlamp assembly. The tank itself, very good condition. We do have a slight mark on the sticker, nothing else underneath it. Original fuel tap here as well is nice to have. Mountain Trail 225, Yamaha original red seat, in very good condition. You'll see a lot of these if you ever see Serows in around the foot where your feet are is absolutely destroyed. This one is in very good condition, and same with the engine area. Rear swing arm in good condition also. Original side stand and the tyres at the back in good condition also. Little sign of chipping on the handle for the rear, and then onto the rear mudguard, all very good condition. Onto the right hand side of the bike, we then have the rear muffler, which is in excellent condition. Rear mudguard again excellent condition. Some slight signs of rusting, but being very picky here. Tyre itself in excellent condition. Wheel also very good as well. Rear swing arm very good. In around the footwell area is in nice condition also. Heat shield still there over the exhaust, and same on the engine area of the bike. Tank and all that is in good condition, nothing to make note of here. Again, the front gaiters could be in better condition, but I mean, again, €10 fix for that. The tyres are in good nick also, pretty much brand new. Front forks on this side is in better condition. So that's the bike. She is in a really nice condition. They're getting very desirable, these kind of older Serows. Hard to get these days in good condition. The price again is 2,750. We'll be taking €150 deposits on the bike if you are interested to secure it before arrival. Again, to reiterate, only 4,312 miles on the clock. So if you have liked the video, please like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. There will be plenty more videos like this coming your way in the coming days and weeks.